Delicious South Asian recipe, the Murgh Chana, the chicken drumstick with chickpeas. Look at 8 beautiful chicken legs without the skin. This is 2 pounds. I have canned boiled chickpeas, right? So these are 1 pound of the chickpeas. Look at all these beautiful seasonings we will be putting in this delicious recipe. So it's a combo chicken and chickpeas 1-pot recipe. I'm giving you this. Let's get into it. Let's go for it. We have a pan on the stove. It's on the high flame. I'm adding at least 10 tablespoons of oil. You can use ghee. I'm using olive oil in here. I have a 1.5 medium size onion. I have diced it, 5 cloves of garlic, 30 grams of ginger. Let's go. We start with the ginger in the pan. And the onion. So all 3 things goes all together. We will saute our onion, garlic and ginger at least for 5-6 minutes. In 5 minutes for our onions, garlic and ginger to be stir-fried, sauteed. Basically we are making here our onions to be lightly golden brown. So this is perfect color right now. This is our chicken, my friend. 8 beautiful chicken drumsticks. Now we will add these right here in the pan. Okay. Give it a mix. We will stir fry our chicken legs now at least for 5 to 8 minutes. Cover this with the lid and let's let it cook at least for 5 minutes, just like that. So 5 minutes gone for the chicken legs to be on the stove. We have stir fried it a little bit. Let's add our seasoning. 1 whole tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of grounded cumin, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of paprika, 5 seasoning guys. So it has a crushed red chili, it has cloves, it has cinnamon. We will add at least 2 whole spoons of it right now in here. This is regular table salt, right? We will add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Fry this now with the seasoning, okay, at least for 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes has gone after adding all these seasonings. We have stir fried with the chicken. So this is 1 pound of our chana, chickpeas, right? It goes all in here. These are canned and boiled, very easy. This is 30 grams of tomato paste. It goes all in here. And now we will add at least 2 cups of water in here. 2 cups of water in here. Who don't like that, huh? Give it a gentle mix. Look at this beautiful color. Alright, at this time put your stove on to medium to slow heat, okay? This is what we have to do. Murgh Chana masala curry, huh? We will put the lid on top, put it on simmer and forget about this for 30 minutes. Let it simmer at least for 30 minutes. 45 minutes later guys, we are here with our beautiful Murgh Chana recipe. Turn off the stove and here you go. Wonderful looking dish. Let me show you. All the way cooked, everything is done right here. Stoves are off. just to dress it up. 4 or 5 of the green chilies. This recipe goes with the chilies. And a handful of cilantro goes on top. Perfect, man. Look at this. Who don't like that? Let's dive in this thing. Chicken, right? Oh my god, it's perfectly done. Look at the chana masala. Let's take a bite. Here you go, hot bite. Wonderful. All right, I've made some brown rice with that. Let's put this right here. Make some rice with that, guys, and you'll be loving it. Here you go. You're missing out this dish. Make this dish, you'll be happy about it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Like this video so it goes to other people as well. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, bye bye for now. The combo: chana,